Candle lovers, rejoice! I've got the scoop on the newest Dollar Tree candle holder DIYs and hacks that will make your friends swoon. Home decor, DIYs, thrift flips, dupes, hacks, and more. Welcome to CJ DIY. I am in love with this toilet hot air balloon from Mackenzie Childs, and I wanted to remake something similar like this. So I went to my local Dollar Tree, I went to the candle holder section, and I wanted to find something similar that can make into hot air balloon, and I found those cute candle holder mini pot vases, and I grabbed the orange one. I will be removing the raffia embellishment that is around this candle holder, and first thing I will be covering it with the beige chalk paint, and because of the frosted surface I only added one good coat of this paint and it went so nice and smooth. Now that I cover it and I let it dry, I will be decoupaging it with this checkerboard napkin from Mackenzie's, and I'm just adding a matte finish Mod Podge, and with my sponge brush I'm going over and smoothly with my fingers I'm covering this candle holder with it. It went so nice and smooth. When you are making decoupage, you just need to have a patience and slowly with your fingers go through the surface, especially if the napkin is super thin. You don't want to rip it off. You just go smoothly and covering your surface in no time. And also when your surface is round and bubbly like mine is today, you just start covering the front that you wanted to display, and then the back will be where the napkin will end. And also, since this is a checkerboard, you make sure all the checkers are on places. And as you can see, when I went on the back, I just flip over one corner and cover it all just like that, so I don't have wrinkles and bubbles, and then finishing off the back part as well. Now that it's all covered, I am just cutting off the excess on the back. I am also adding a Mod Podge to seal it and cutting the rest of the excess on top and on the bottom as well. And then I'm gonna seal it with a Mod Podge. And also off camera, after it was all dry, with the parchment paper and my mini press, I went over just to make sure it's all nice and smooth and there is no wrinkles on my decoupage. For the balloon, I will be using one of those large ornaments from Dollar Tree. I choose the golden one with the ribs. I painted over with the same beige chalk paint. I just gave it a nice one good coat, and when it was dry, I'm creating patterns with this permanent ink black marker. I think it was the easiest way to do it. You can do it with a paint, doesn't matter. It's gonna look just perfect. And now I'm just painting two ribs and leaving two ribs blank with a beige paint until the whole ornament is covered with this pattern. At the end, with my golden marker, I'm adding extra lines on the edges of my black stripes so we can get that high-end look on my hot air balloon, and that part is done. And now let's the fun begin creating hot air balloon with those two pieces and adding some embellishments. First, I'm adding a wooden skewer. I added a glue and I'm gluing it inside of my ornament to make it nice and sturdy before I add it to my holder. For the inside part of my holder, I will be adding one of those floral foams from Dollar Tree. Make sure it fit all nice for the inside part. And I will be adding my wooden skewer, just like so. I also added a glue to make it nice and sturdy. I'm cutting also the wooden skewer to make it not to be that taller. And for the edges on my holder, also I'm going over with my golden marker to create that Mackenzie child style. And after that, we'll be adding more embellishment. With my IOD snowflakes mold, I created one large snowflake. I painted with a red paint, and this large snowflake will go on top of my hot air balloon, just like so. Another cute embellishment that I will be using is this cute teddy bear ornament that I have. I cut off a little part of my checker ribbon and I added them on the paws on my teddy bear to make it cohesive with my look. And you can add any kind of ornament that you have. Doesn't need to be a teddy bear. You can add Santa. You can add any cute little mini gift boxes. I mean, the sky is the limit with creating hot air balloons for Christmas like this. I also made some cute designs from my molds. I paint them in a green color and I am gluing them one on the bottom and one on top. Also, for extra embellishment, I am adding those cute mini ribbons from Dollar Tree in a red color. In the middle part that was silver, I painted with my golden marker to make it more cohesive, and I will be adding 2 mini red bows on the bottom part, and then I will be adding 2 more bows later on top of my balloon as well. You can be creative and add any kind of embellishment and make your hot air balloon beautiful and whimsical. For chains, I will be using these faux pearls that I have, and I think I should have painted them gold, but I still left them in color white. And I will be adding 4 of those chains so I can connect the bottom part with my balloon as well. And at the end, I just added more bows on top of the balloon. And also, for more embellishment, I added this Merry Christmas glittery ornament from Dollar Tree. I glued it with a mini wooden skewer and added on top of the floral foam that we added. And those glitter gift cutouts, I think it's a cute embellishment. Also adding a wooden skewer and adding it on top of the foam just to fill out the space in between where we adding the teddy bear. You can add more ornaments, you're free to do so, and it's gonna be super cute either way. In the middle part of my molds, I also added some cute jewels that I got in my stash, and I fill out the inside part of the foam where the foam was showing with the golden vase fillers, and I am distressing my snowflake with a gold paint just a little bit so we can get that snowflake come to detail with all those cute crevices. And that's it. Our hot air balloon is done. Those golden Dollar Tree candle holders are perfect for any kind of hacks and dupe you can make. I grabbed 3 of them, 2 larger and 1 smaller. I cut off 3 pieces from my Mackenzie Childs ribbon that I have, just enough to fit for the middle part of my candle holders, and I'm just gluing that part on the back of my holder, and I'm creating a perfect Mackenzie Child dupe that if you go to their websites, you're gonna see how pricey they are, and ours for sure didn't break a bank, and it's gonna be perfect not just for Christmas but any kind of occasion or everyday home decor look. Not just this ribbon, you can add any kind of ribbon for the middle part of the candle holders, and you're gonna make a perfect high-end look for your candle holders. And not even 2 minutes, you have a brand new look. Another amazing find at Dollar Tree are those LED pillar candle, and they're so perfect to decoupage them. I think they got some real wax on as a coat on top of them, and it make your decoupage to go even more smoother. I will show you in a bit. I will be adding my checkerboard Mackenzie Child napkin, and I wanted to show you this golden light that they're coming with. They're just perfect for $1.25. Amazing find. So I am decoupaging it the same way like I did my previous pieces with a Mod Podge. I'm just trimming off the edge, the golden edge, because we don't want that part to show while we are decoupaging it. And not even 5 minutes, you have a brand new look with this LED pillar candles. Just smoothly you adding a Mod Podge and just covering it all. Doesn't need to be with this checkerboard napkin. You can add any kind of napkin that you have in your stash or you are decorating for this Christmas, and you're gonna have amazing look. Now that it's all covered, I'm trimming off the excess on top and on the bottom as well. And we're gonna seal it with the Mod Podge. And I'm repeating the same step on top. I'm cutting off the excess and then finishing it off with the Mod Podge, the edges, and then I'm sealing the whole candle with the Mod Podge as well. To make it more smoother, I am going over with my parchment paper and with my mini press, and as you can see, it was like melting. So that's why I'm thinking the coating have just a little bit of wax coat around it, and it was just perfect because this candle looked like originally was made like this. Also, have you seen those candle holders at Dollar Tree? I grabbed some. If you find them, just grab them. They're just perfect as they are. You don't need to do anything, and look how beautiful they look with my candle pillars. Bow decor is so hot and trendy this year, especially for Christmas and the holidays, and they can be a bit pricey. And what I did is I made me some bows from my IOD bow mold that I have. I paint them with a gold paint, and now I'm adding all the pieces together before I glue them on my golden Dollar Tree candle holders, and we're gonna make these trendy viral bow candle holders that it won't cost us that much. We're only gonna pay dollar and some change. You can make them in any color as you prefer, but I think this golden look is so sophisticated and perfect for the holidays. And now when I put all my bows together with their tails, I am gluing them on the back part, and I'm gluing them on top of my candle holders. I also, off camera, I just distress them with another set of gold paint just to make them cohesive with the candle holders and the bows. And I just toned down a little bit because I think it was like too goldy. I just toned them a little bit down. And also with my permanent marker on the bottom part of the candle holder, I'm just creating stripes to make it just a little bit identical like the original look from Mackenzie Childs. And that's it, not even 5 minutes, and you have this amazing perfect look. I wanted to show you those amazing bow candle holders. They're from the Target dollar spot. My daughter bought them for me for only $3. So if you find them, just grab them. I was thinking, should I paint them or leave them as they are? For now, I'm gonna leave them as they are. Look how beautiful they look beside my candles holders that I made. I added some golden candles and they look just perfect for centerpieces for this coming Christmas. And let me know which of those looks you like the best and you're remaking. If you like my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I got so many more creations coming up next. Stay blessed. Until next time, from me to you. Bye-bye.